morning, everybody, and welcome back to Stratton, Vermont. We're at the bottom of the mountain, and we're about to get back on the gondola and go back to the fire tower and start our journey again. So we are here down in the little plaza in the ski village, and you can see Gadget, Ambassador, and the real big Agnes up there waiting on me. So let's get up this mountain. All right, here we are. We're at the gondola and we're getting ready to enter. But the real big Agnes is not going with us. Just the tent version is. And so we'll have to say our farewells. And then me and Gadget and Ambassador will get on and go to the top. So real big Agnes, we will have to see you again farther down the trail.
Okay. Love you.
Let's go.
Bye.
So we're in the gondola and we're halfway up the mountain, and this is our view. Will be even nicer when we're up on the mountain and outside of the gondola. But for right now, again, Stratton Mountain gives you pretty good views of the surrounding area. Actually, really good views of the surrounding area. And the gondola makes it much easier to get up the mountain. Right there's the trail we would be walking on if we weren't in the gondola. Good trail, but we have no strong desire to walk up the mountain if we don't have to. We will end up walking up enough mountains. We don't need to add one just for the sake of it. We are now on the trail, headed to the fire tower, and the merging of the fire tower trail and the Appalachian Trail. Hey everybody, so we are here at the fire tower on the top of Stratton Mountain, and we pretty much did everything we're going to do, and now it's time for me to hike that away, and time for Gadget and Ambassador and what did we say? Trailmaster to hike that way. And so just another word of thanks for everything really that they're doing to support this hike and help me get to my destination a little bit faster than I would otherwise. Actually, probably a lot faster than I would otherwise. So thanks to them, and thanks for really allowing me to go home and surprise my wife. Priceless. And so now we better, now that we're 4 or 5 days removed, we better hurry up and hike on. So let's hike on. Yeah, just coming down off Stratton Mountain, and got this nice view window of, I believe, well, I don't even remember what lake that is now, but obviously at the foot of Stratton Mountain. Nice. Just a look at Stratton Pond as we literally pass within 2 feet of it. Very nice. day 103, video 12. Hey buddy, so we are 5 miles into today's hike, and probably good time to stop and appreciate this stream. Very nice. And B, just talk about last 4 or 5 days. So we stepped off the trail to go back to home base and surprise Miss First Step for her birthday. And we accomplished that with the help of our kids, with the help of Gadget and Ambassador. And so just really thankful for everyone's help in getting that done and making that surprise an accomplishment. So good time to show our appreciation for her and all that she's done to support this hike. And then we flew back. Well, while we were there, we got a haircut, so that's good. Did not get a beard trim. Maybe in the future, we'll see. And then we flew back. By the time we got back here, Miss First Step had mail ordered us a new backpack, which we have. Sorry, campsite there, trail kind of diverged, but just to go to that other campsite, we're not going there. So now you'll probably notice we have a new backpack on. We are now packing the Osprey Atmos. Sorry everybody, we got interrupted by Ava. Ava is a caretaker for Stratton Pond camp area, and she's just out here hiking the trails throughout that area to, you know, be wise on what to expect at different points along the trail. And so stop, talk to her. Anyways, we're talking, we got a new backpack, the Osprey Atmos, like atmosphere without the sphere. And so far 5 miles in, it's feeling really good. So I think we're going to be really happy with that switch. And that's really all the equipment we switch. Pretty happy with everything else we got. And so I think we're ready to hike on and hike the last quarter of the AT. So let's keep hiking. We are here on a rock ledge overlooking Manchester Center, and then west to Mount Equinox. Yeah, pretty good little view. Hey everybody, well we are 12 and a half miles into our day. We went past I forget, something Peak Shelter 2 miles ago. That had only been like 10 and a half, so just really thought we should get a little bit more. So we're shooting at least for the Bromley Shelter. Hopefully actually Bromley Peak. You know, the app is saying that there's really good sunrise, really good sunset, sunrise from Bromley Peak, and so hopefully we can make it there. But it's 6 o'clock, and so we're already stepping it up, as you can see, pouring on the sweat. So we're going to have to keep that up, and hopefully You know, if we can get there before 8 o'clock, I think we're okay. And just by travel time, we should be able to do that. But we got to keep our foot on the gas. So let's hike on. Just passing by this information board, and we definitely see a lot of these red Fs, the juvenile stage of the eastern newt. So good to know. Hey buddy, whoo, sweating hot. So we passed the Mount Bromley shelter about 3/4 of a mile ago, but as we're passing it, we filled up on water. So now we got about 4 liters of water on us and the weight that's from that. We passed it because we've been told that there's a shelter at the summit that the ski patrol uses as a warming shelter in the winter, but the ski resort leaves that shelter unlocked purposely for hikers to stay in during hiking season. And we're told you can see the sunset and the sunrise very well from there. We may miss the sunset because it's a little after 8 right now, so we're cutting it kind of close, but we've only got about a 1/4 mile left. So let's hike on and see if we can get there and see it. 21. Well, we are up on top of Mount Bromley, and it looks like its sunset should be right about now, and you can see how, you know, 1/4 of the way up is kind of orange. So it looks like there's clouds off in the distance that are maybe concealing our ability to see the sunset. So I don't know. We'll keep looking. Hopefully we'll get a good one. Well, the sunset did not work out the way we hoped. Didn't see it at all. So, but those are the chances you take. So, didn't quite work out. Hopefully, next one we'll get some sleep and then hopefully get a good sunrise and that'll make it worth it. We'll see. All we can do is sleep on it and hope. So let's sleep on it and hope.